So here's my setup. I got 2 coils. That's all I have. I only have 2 spark plugs and not all 8 of them. So I have a lab power supply here that will only feed the 2 coils. These are Volkswagen coils, the older type that are high impedance, so I do not need amplifiers. There's the MX3, it's connected to my cable, straight into it, original cable. I have 1 and 4 on there. So now here, the first thing I want to do is just going to start up the engine here with my gym stem. It's already running. It's already run at like right around 800. There we go. So now I'm going to turn on the power supply, and as we can see, you can see it on the video, sparks are firing. On the lab power supply, on the analog meter we see about 0.8 amp. Digital meter does pretty much the same thing. I'm in a 10 amp area there, so this is about 800 milliamps. So now if I speed it up a little, I'm going to about, that's 4000 RPMs. As we can see, more spark of course, and it goes up to about almost 2 amps, or just around 1.8. And of course the phone has to ring, and here we can see the RPM. So now I'm going to turn this off and run the test, which is test mode. Hope you guys can see this here. So, and then check ignition spark. Let's shut this off. Okay, so now we're going to enable, hope we can see this, enable test mode and start. So now it shoots 150 millisecond intervals on one of the spark plugs, as we can see, which is number 1, and current of course dropped quite a bit. Can barely see it now. So now if we make the interval shorter, let's go down to like 40 milliseconds. Starts running a little quicker. Now we see spark plug 1 firing quite a bit, and the amperage is going up. Okay, and here's how I'm gonna end the test. Stop and close.